Welcome back to the 2025 Parade of Homes by the Springfield Greater Home Builders Association. We are so excited to have people here. It's been an awesome day. We are winding this thing up, kind of. We're getting close.
A couple hours left today. We got 2 great days tomorrow, so make sure you get your tickets. Come on out here.
Yeah, don't miss
There
this.
are some incredible properties. There's some new builders to the area. I mean, it's a great space.
Yep.
And so make sure to come out, be inspired. Do all of the things. It'll be a great time to use this weekend to
Absolutely. We're excited. We've got Jerry with us, and he's from O'Bannon Bank, and they do a lot of really cool things. And you guys are more of a country bank in the area.
That is correct.
Yep.
We're
So
based out of Buffalo, Missouri.
Yep.
So
Yep.
this is our 120th year in business.
wow, that's very cool. That's
super
very cool.
impressive to have a business that's lived a life like that. It's
it's nuts.
something to stand on.
Nuts.
That's cool.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think it kind of goes back to, we asked him, we said, when did you join the HBA? And he's like, well, forever ago. I mean, the HBA.
There were records.
Yeah, HBA started in 1954, and I don't know what year you guys were founded, but it's a long time before that. So that's pretty amazing. So Jerry does a lot of the commercial lending, and he works with a lot of builders. So if you're a builder on here, or you're in the construction industry, or want to be in the construction industry, this is your man to talk to about this. So Jerry, tell us what you do.
I'm a commercial lender. I'm based out of our Springfield location, which is on East Sunshine, kind of right across from First Watch, if you're familiar with where that is.
Watch.
And so I've been doing this just about 14 years now in lending, been with O'Bannon Bank for 8 of those years. And I've kind of found my niche specifically in the commercial lending market. Also do some ag, but worked several years in the Buffalo market.
Yeah.
Heavy on the ag there, but less so in Springfield. Then I kind of transitioned from the ag more to construction.
Yeah.
So that leads to here. So we work with a lot of the builders in the area and speculative housing and multifamily. Also, single family. So pretty much if you have a project, we can.
You're the guy.
Yes.
You're the guy. I like it. O'Bannon's been great. We've owned a number of businesses, and a lot of them have been rural, which I know you guys aren't just rural, but I've worked with you guys in a lot. You guys have Pleasant Hope, Stratford, Buffalo, Fair Grove, and your people are just fantastic to work with. It's always been a pleasure to do business with you guys from my point of view.
Yes, I love working there. I plan to stay there till I die or retire.
Let's say retire.
Whichever comes first. Right.
I love that.
We've had a number of lenders on even today, but everybody's been in the residential world. And so when it comes to lending, there's a broad range of what lending looks like. And so for somebody that's new to this idea, we have the residential. If you're looking to buy a house, you talk to a certain lender, you do something a little different. You're working on the commercial side, ag side. So could you talk to us a little bit? Somebody's looking to, maybe they want to build a few houses. They want to get into the game.
And the who maybe behind this, who is your client that you're looking for? If somebody's watching this from the HBA or interested in the Parade of Homes, who's somebody that should come find you to see what services you offer?
I would say it's a wide range because we work with, to take one step back, I can also help you if you just want to hire one of the builders to build your own house. You can do that construction. Then we can get you to somebody that can get you in your mortgage at the end. But what we also work with is builders I've got builders that build one house at a time. And that's what they do. They build one house, they sell it, they move on to the next. We've got work with people who, we may, doing a whole subdivision. We may do, obviously they work with multiple banks, but we may be doing 10, 15 at a time with them. So pretty much there is no box that says we'll fit if you want to come take a look.
So if you're in the construction industry, for sure, reach out from that
commercial
standpoint.
buildings.
Yep.
Commercial buildings.
Yep.
So
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
So you're talking to investors.
Did you hear his interest rate? He said he was under 3%. No, I'm playing.
That's on record.
He just plugged his ears.
Now they have to buy down that rate by spending about $150,000.
Yeah, a month.
We could probably buy it down to that amount. We probably could. That loan fee would be rather high, but we could get you that.
When we make a banker giggle, we know we've succeeded.
So projects that you've recently worked with, you mentioned, you have your people that are going to be building their home, their dream home. You can work with them on the construction side.
Correct.
You can also work with people as they're looking to maybe buy multifamily or businesses looking to purchase property. Recently, what have been some projects that you've been helping and working on that side?
All right. as far as like someone building their own dream property, I've got most recent one that I worked on was out probably I'd say kind of between here and Stratford, and it was someone's dream home on 33 acres, and they had planned this out, and they built this a rather unique kind of a custom home, and it was got to work with their builder on that, and it was quite a process. I had not dealt with anything that was that custom before, so we can work with something if your idea is very, very custom, or if it's something that you got a plan that the builder's built 100 times. It won't matter. We can work with you on that.
So on that, would somebody purchase the land? And then do they do draws as they're building the house? So the builder takes draws out against the loan?
Yes. What we can do also, to take one step back, we loan on real estate. So let's say you found the lot and you want to buy it, and that's your goal to build your house right there.
Okay.
It's your dream spot. But you're not quite ready to build your house. We can come see us. We can loan on that raw land.
Okay.
And then you get your spot picked out, you own it, and then when you're ready to build, you can come see me again and we can start on that. But yes, we use a draw process, and that would be the same on any level, whether it was 6 units of multifamily or whether that was you building your custom home.
Okay.
We're gonna, there's gonna be a draw system. I'd say what sets us apart is we do not require that someone strictly go through a title company. We can handle those draws in-house. With no fees on those, and so we can. There are situations when certain builders always go through a title company, and that's fine. But if you want to come to us and say, "Hey, we want to deal just with you," then they'll deal just with us, and we can take care of that for them. So we have options.
Yeah, O'Bannon's always been really, really flexible and always been able to help us do things. So I'm sure you guys are very well versed in that.
So there's just a lot of options, I would say, we could look at.
I like it.
Probably more than I could come up with here.
Don't put you on the spot with cameras in your face. So if somebody wants to get a hold of you, if they're a builder or they're residential looking, who do they talk to? What do we need to do? Yeah,
they can. I'm at 3120 East Sunshine, and our number there is 417-881-2251. And ask for Jerry, and we'll get you started.
Perfect.
Awesome, Jerry.
Build your dream home. You're looking to buy some properties, build some spec houses, do something commercial, give Jerry a call. He'll be a great resource. I think that's the main thing on the lending side is you're like a coach as you're
educator
the lending process. And so we're thankful for that. Yeah, we're excited. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah,
this is absolutely. Going to be a great event. And thank you. Make sure you grab those tickets and swing on out this weekend to the Parade of Homes.